Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Diana Ferraris. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video is a very exciting video. I know I say that about all my videos, but it's true. All my videos are very exciting. My heart and soul into my videos, editing, coming up with the videos and everything. So all my videos are genuinely really exciting for me. So let me stop talking, but today's video is going to be... Pause right there. I can't believe we're about to be in 2019 already. Can you guys believe that? Because I can't. I seriously cannot believe this year has flown by so fast. Blessings that I have had and many more to come. Super excited to share a lot of things with you guys. Be the Morphe holiday collection of 2018. Like, I'm so excited to share with you guys some products that Morphe is coming out with. So if you guys are interested, you guys want to watch, I want to see the goodies that is coming for the holidays, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's head on to the video, you guys. So as you guys know, or maybe you guys don't know, I work for Morphe, and it's honestly a blessing, something that I never thought I would see myself working for a makeup company. As you guys know, this is my first makeup store that I've been working for, and it's shocking. I can't believe it that the first makeup store that I'm working for is Morphe. Morphe. I'm so blessed and so grateful to be part of this amazing family, such a genuine, friendly, loving company, and I couldn't be any more thankful and grateful. So thank you, God, thank you guys for believing in me. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the goodies that Morphe is coming out with for the holiday, you guys. 2018, here we are. These products are going to be launching today, October 23rd. I'm going to be showing you the good. The good, guys. Alright, so let me stop talking because I get so excited. I want to say thank you to Morphe for gifting us, all the girls that work with Morphe, like our co-workers and everything, for gifting us this little goodie bag. We didn't get everything, but it's alright because as soon as this bad boy goes live or comes in store, I will be getting everything that I didn't get. And let me tell you guys, the things that are in this goodie bag are so poppin', and the things that I don't have are so, like, they killed it. They absolutely killed it with the holiday collection. Like, I was shocked. Like, I was like, what? You guys, I'm so excited. So excited. So I'm gonna first show you some goodies. Like, I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. So this holiday collection will be live on Morphe.com, I believe, and in stores as well. Today's the day, you guys. I will link everything down below and let you know all the goodies that I'm showing you. So I'm gonna first show you guys Alright, you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is the 15T, and this is your true selfie. 15, you do use shades. There's nobody quite like you, the Morphe babe. You're a solo artist that's bold, unapologetic, and a bit mysterious. Just like 15 sultry, down-to-earth shades, show them what you got. Yes, this packaging, you guys. Can we talk about the packaging? Like, I am living for the packaging so much. It screams out holidays, Christmas. Yes, my favorite time of the year is finally here, you guys. This is your true selfie 15T. So right here is the 15T. I absolutely love the name, the your true selfie. Like, yes. So it comes with some bubble wrap, you know, to secure your palette. It's ready to see what's inside, because like, I cannot. So this is the 15T, you guys. So it has 15 shades, and it is bomb. Like, look at that. Like, I absolutely love the names on these palettes. Like, the shade range is so beautiful. This is very travel friendly, and you guys could just take it with you in your purse, like, to touch up. Why not? I would. So I absolutely am loving the mattes, very universal. I'm loving the bold shimmers because, you know, this holiday is all about bling bling, guys. Like, it is about that bold look, like those bold colors. This is what this holiday is about. 2018 is bold colors. I am so obsessing over this palette. So far, this palette is beautiful. Like, I'm living for it. I love it. And it also comes with this little thingy just to protect your shadows. Guys, I'm living for it. Like, I'm so happy that working at Morphe, you get, you know, the gratis, you get the goodies. Like, I'm so thankful and grateful. Like, you guys have no idea how happy I am and so grateful that I am to be a part of such a beautiful family. This is the 8S. Well, this one already launched. This is the Stellar Impact. This is the Heat Things Up. Create a stellar impact with this on the glow palette. High impact highlighters. Oh, darling. Creamy wood exposure expects to leave all eyes a Morphe babe. Ooh, yes. Once again, the packaging is everything. So this one already launched a couple weeks ago, I believe, 2 weeks ago. This is the highlight palette, and this palette reminds me of the Anastasia Moonchild palette. Like I said, this holiday is all about bold and glowy and blinding people up to in Mars. This is what this holiday is about, you know? You know. So yeah, so this is absolutely the shades. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the shades in the palette. So it's giving me really Moonchild vibes. This is already in stores, and you guys could get it in stores or online. So go get your hands on this bad boy. I'm super excited to be showing you some brushes. I am obsessed with brushes. As you guys know, Morphe is known for brushes. Very affordable, very high-end brushes. Love them. So this is the Complexion Crew 5-piece face brush collections. So this is a 5-face brush collection. I am living for the packaging. You get 5 brushes that don't miss a beat. You can face anything life throws your way with the ride or die brush crew by your side. You're buffing your way to selfie ready complexion in no time. Your crew includes a round buffer brush, angled contour and blush brush, contour brush, diffuse powder brush, highlight blending brush, and a large glittery bag. Ooh, yes, oh, look at how beautiful this bag is. It's giving me that vibe, and I love anything with glitter, and it's so, like, luxurious. And you could definitely, when you're done with your brushes, you could put them back in here in this baggie, or you could use this as a makeup bag. That's what I would personally use it for. So I'm going to be showing you the brushes. I kind of used some of them because I was like, ooh, let me use them, because I really want to see how they feel and everything. So they come, as you guys can see, I use this one because this one's so good to contour, and it's so small, and it fits like perfect so you contour your cheeks. I absolutely love the handle, love the gold detailing of it, love how soft they are. All the brushes from Morphe are so soft and so beautiful, and I love how luxurious this is. This would be a perfect gift to your girlfriend, to your mother, to your sister, to your dog, because you get that 5 brushes that you need to create your face. Like, can you ask for any more? Like, this is amazing. So like I said, you get your, let me go back. You get your round buffer brush, which I believe is this one. No, wrong one. So brown buffer brush, I believe is this one. It's like a kabuki one. Then you get the contour one. Then you get this one. This one low-key looks like the E8 one. And then this one looks like the 510 to highlight. Like, you seriously get all the brushes that you need to beat that face. Like, seriously. Absolutely love it. And it comes in the little thing to protect your brushes. I am, like, living for them. Like, I think I'm... Whew. We are living. We are living for the packaging of Morphe. Morphe, you have slayed my gods, my dreams, my soul, my heart, my everything with this packaging. So far, this holiday collection gets a thumbs up from me. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get a thumbs up for you guys when this launches. This is gonna be sick. This is gonna be big. You guys are going to be like, oh my god, Morphe, yes, yes, and yes. Guys, this is the holiday collection 2018. I am so sorry. I was going to do an eye tutorial, but my camera is about to die and I don't have another battery, so I'm so sorry. But definitely stay tuned for the tutorial because I will be posting it very soon. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys.